Wow, this boat comes from Norfolk, Virginia. I don't know how did it come here, but it's coming all the way from Norfolk, Virginia. What a beautiful view of water, boats, yachts, buildings, and behind me here we have all these restaurants. Wow. And this is why I wanted to come and visit this place. All kind of adventures you can do here. This is called the New River, and it is in Fort Lauderdale area, right next to Las Olas Beach. And this is a river connected to the ocean somewhere right there on the end, but it's obviously deep and not too wide, but it's definitely deep enough for all kind of boats to sail in here. And this is something very interesting where you can go on a bar. It's basically sailing bar or floating bar. So you can be on the water while you are sailing or basically enjoying the water. There are few restaurants here, big size restaurants definitely, and very expensive luxury apartments. People are here walking and enjoying the place and doing so many activities, definitely. Las Olas Beach residence. Okay. Most of these here, they definitely have some sort of a yacht or a sailboat like you see here, and they enjoy the luxury of living up there in an apartment or a big villa maybe, and kind of get down there and find their boat parking right there. Very nice boats, definitely Lady K. Like I said, it's beautiful area where people come walk, enjoy the view, and it's things that you don't see anywhere else, like this garden up there on the roof. Very nice entrance for on a big apartment building, water garden. Big buildings, definitely, comparing to the standards here in Florida, South Florida area. So this is all season charter. It looks like you can rent it by calling this number here. I'm sure you would have a certain license to sail it. Look at these wonderful boats, and people are enjoying their day. Yes, they are. And the other ones that are parked on the side, waiting for someone else to come and enjoy them. Definitely very different location where it's packed with boats, yachts, sailboats. Here's something else interesting. We have here thank you. Can get you and your friends and come and have a bird ride where you can go biking, basically, on a moving bar. Very interesting. I love these boats here. These are really big yachts. Amazing designs like this one here. Every single one of them, obviously. Here's another big yacht coming here with very interesting design, big size. Wow, I tell you, I can stay here all day watching these yachts. Here's another nice front of a building. Wow, they deserve another look here. So that is a building, beautiful blue color windows, and you have the front, very pleasant looking. And again, right in front of these buildings, you see all these beautiful restaurants, water, and yachts. Actually, there is a time in the year when they have the parade of the yachts. It's international parade of the yacht that usually can watch over here passing by. Look at this. This is a water taxi. Actually, here you can take it and enjoy a beautiful ride on the water. I don't know where it takes you from where to, but it takes a really good ride. And here, this is a nice really area stage where they do have some shows, some activities, festivals every once in a while. It is definitely a nice location here if you catch, if you come here and catch one of these events. Very nice. They have a nice park here where you can do some workout, and all different workout machines here, and it's all not electric. Actually, it's all resistance only, hydraulic maybe. It's all Florida environment. You can tell the trees, the palm trees, water, restaurants. And Riverside, okay. One of these big restaurants here. These are really interesting. Okay, we have this bridge. It opens. Moving bridge. It opens for a big boat coming. And let's see. The target, I think, to keep the speed consistent and it doesn't go somewhere, I guess, in the wrong place. One of the nice yachts. Nice. This was another water taxi, I think. I just didn't get it on time. Hopefully I will find another one. We can capture that. Here's another boat. I am guessing that they don't want to continue this way because of the bridge and they might need a special license or access or permission to open that bridge for them. Okay, it seems like they are playing. That's interesting. Dancing with the music. Or showing off, maybe, because I see other people taking pictures and videotaping. There's no tape anymore. Nice. What a wonderful life. So it's a weekend, and it's actually a holiday weekend, and a lot of people are enjoying their weekend, definitely, from all over the universe, because they come here from international visitors, tourists, and also from different states, definitely. I am going. Historic Stranahan House. Historic Stranahan House. So we're gonna leave this fantastic area and go to the other side to it, where we see all the restaurants and another type of life in there. Okay, here we go. Another life type, style, which is across the street from that park where we were. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, check out.
Places here, from classy restaurants to jewelry, fine silver and gold, and other treats, coffee shop, really nice. Very fancy stores and shops. Wow, very fancy restaurant. Captain Morgan. on both sides of the road. Beautiful colors and restaurants, people coming from everywhere. As you can see, there are Cuba, I believe, restaurant with all these fancy colors on it. You can see also people doing a lot of activities here, like walking, biking. I saw a lot of skating too. I'm gonna have to okay, do I wait or what? Very What is that? Evolution in art. Huh. Interesting. Okay. This is really a place to go to taste one of or some of the best food around, because it's all fancy restaurants, a lot of high class restaurants that they are not cheap, but they are worth the try. On the other side are really high-class shops with a lot of fancy items. Even this one here is really my favorite. It's called Unique Treasures. And it does have amazing treasures. My favorite is, I think, these monkeys here. Don't ask me why this water is on. I think that's some type of test or something. Flushing, so they're doing some flushing to the hydrant. It's very hard because I don't want to miss any action here. You feel like there's something around. I want to capture left or right, which way to go. I'm thinking I'm gonna switch to the other side because there are more stuff on there coming. I don't want to miss them. But in the meantime, I still don't want to miss that side. What is that? CBT treat. Okay. So this road, if you walk all the way to the end, I don't think I will be able to do it this time, but you will head down beach where the Las Olas Beach, one of the biggest and very famous beaches here. Huh. So, thank you. I'm gonna go this way. I think I need to capture. Thank you. I want to capture this side because there are a lot of actions here. I think very nice restaurant. Vinny liquor. Yes. Vinny liquor. Kensington. A lot of nice people here. They're sharing with me on the video. One of the views I wanted to show here is how you doing? This common one is really nice because you can't believe how fancy this area is. Middle of very expensive houses and restaurants, and here you go, there's a nice river that you can sit and enjoy the water. And gondola tours, so you can get a gondola tour here. And restaurants, you can sit and eat right on the water. It doesn't matter where you are here, you will find some water. Where I'm going now is a really beautiful view, just like the other places here, but I love to go there, sit and enjoy the sightseeing. Unbelievable. So let me walk for a little bit and we'll come back. Okay, I'm still walking, going to that Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas area beach, but here is a beautiful, some of the beautiful houses. I wanted to show you. They're not really houses, they are villas, and I am sure if I can go on Google somewhere, I will figure out the values, but these are very nice villas. So these are here on East Las Olas Boulevard. I'm sure there are a lot more to see here. I need to come back and visit this area and make some time. But for my visit today, before it gets dark, I want to take you to this area first. It's right there on the left. Let's see if I can make it. I have to cross and go all the way to the left before any of these come to me. And let's take a look here. All this area basically is made for yachts and boats owners who live right here, and they provide them with a way to park their boats. That, you know, they need to dock somewhere. They need to be able to go in and out. Very, very interesting, amazing, beautiful area. On both sides, actually. It's just that I think I favor this side here. And here is Las Olas villas. Wonder how they look like from inside. Let's look at that view. And here is another view of Yachts, water, and villas. I think that's it for me today. I'm gonna start walking back. I had a lot of walking today. I need to go back home and recover. And next time, I promise I will go much farther into the beach and into other seeings. Thank you.